Welcome to the CryptoVillage Unboxing Series kung saan today bubuksan natin ang SafePal S1. Kaya tara, tanggalin na natin ang top cover. Ang sasalubong sa atin guys ay ang mga insert ni SafePal. Nandito ang ating guides, seed phrase and more. Let's check that out later. Ito ang unit guys, unique, sleek design and meron pa siyang screen. Pero let's check that out later then. Ayan, nakalagay, take the foam out and pull the tab underneath. Kaya tara, hilahin na natin ang tab. Ito na. 1, 2, 3, boom! Ayan. Pag nahila na natin ang tab, may kita na natin ang cord. So, this is a USB-A to USB-C charging cord para sa ating SafePal S1. And tara, tignan na natin ang mga laman ng insert. May slits sa taas, so itaktak na natin para makita natin ang laman. Let's go! Ayan. Check natin, baka may naiwan. Ito, meron din stickers si SafePal. Siyempre, hindi siya magpapatalo. Kabit din natin yan sa laptop natin. Ang dami na. And here are the inserts. The first insert ay ang QR papunta sa setup guide ng SafePal S1. So, scan this QR and you will be transferred to the setup guide of the SafePal. Next is a QR papunta sa SafePal app para ma-download natin ang SafePal app that comes along with this unit para makapag-operate tayo through our mobile phone. And of course, meron tayong 3 copies ng recovery seed na lalagyan na ng recovery seed phrase natin. Ayan, 1 to 24 words ang seed phrase nito. You can make more copies if you want, pero importanteng hindi ito mawala, guys, because this is the password or the private key natin sa ating crypto wallet. And here's the SafePal S1. Ayan, sleek design. This is the power button. Dito ang charging port. And here you go. Meron pa pala siyang, let's check it out, camera. So guys, you can scan QRs and transfer crypto gamit itong feature nito. It's a unique feature ni SafePal. And let's power up the unit na. And there you go. Ayan. So, you can use these buttons, of course, to toggle left, toggle right, up and down. The SafePal comes in a lot of languages. So, search lang tayo ng language. Of course, English na lang ang piliin natin. Sisimula na ang setup guides. Let's scan the QR here. And voila! That is the quick unboxing video of the SafePal S1. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos.